Let's explore the 7 wonders of the world. 7. The Taj Mahal. Located in Agra, India. Built in 1632, this 391-year-old mausoleum was an emperor's eternal love gesture for his deceased wife. A symbol of India, it combines Persian, Turkish, and Indian architecture. 6. Machu Picchu. Perched high in the Andean mountains of Peru. A 600-year-old Incan city, built in the 15th century, remains one of the most mysterious ancient sites, its purpose still debatable among historians. 5. Chichen Itza. Found in the heart of Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. The Mayans built this 1,400-year-old pyramid in the 6th century, showing off their astronomical and architectural knowledge. 4. The Coliseum. Nestled in the heart of Rome, Italy. Constructed in 80 AD, this 1943-old amphitheater has seen gladiator contests and public spectacles and remains an iconic representation of imperial Rome. 3. Petra. The rose-red city of Jordan. Initially built in the 5th century BC, this over 2,500-year-old archaeological wonder was the capital of the Nabatean kingdom. 2. The Great Wall of China. With beginnings from the 7th century BC and construction spanning various dynasties, this structure stretches over 13,000 miles. Over 2,700 years old, it's a formidable defense structure. 1. The Pyramids of Giza. Anchoring the landscapes of Egypt. Built around 2580 to 2560 BC, these 4,500-year-old pyramids, especially the Great Pyramid, are the last of the original 7 ancient wonders. They're a testament to human achievement across time and cultures. Thanks for traveling through time with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures.